Spring has sprung and it's getting warm in Arizona. Get your vehicle's air conditioning serviced at Accurate Automotive. Since 1992, we have been helping drivers like you keep their vehicles in top shape. Call us to schedule your service or repair today. We are happy to give you a ride to and from our shop, so you can continue your day while we diagnose your vehicle and complete your approved repairs. Experience how honest, quality vehicle repair can be with Accurate Automotive.
I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you to come in and enjoy a first-class automotive experience at Accurate Automotive.